and then go back and make a bug. And here, yes, your arm, your upper arm is moving. It's called your humerus, your upper arm bone. But your collarbone and your shoulder blade is also moving. If you keep your collarbone and shoulder blade perfectly still and just move your upper arm bone, you'll feel like, oh, you'll probably feel like a little stifled there. And then come down, lift up, bring your arms up. We'll shave right away. Shave, you can go up and down. If you want to reach something up there, you know, we had the Olympics this year. Did you guys watch the Olympics? The swimming and the divers, they had to commit to elevation.